Welcome guys to another BBA tips. This is actually a follow-up from the last episode where we had our epic fishing session. So for us that was an epic fishing session. As you'll see, we haven't had that many fishing sessions on the show so far, so for us that was a pretty epic session. So what we're going to be making is fish tacos with 4 of our flatheads that we caught. They look a bit of a funny shape, and that's because of the ice, the way they've kind of set. Rigor mortis, I suppose, is what it is. So first thing we need to do is fillet them, and for that you really need a very sharp knife. So I'm going to give this one a go before. So I am by no means a filleting expert, so please feel free to rag me in the comments if I'm doing this wrong. So this is what I've done and learned over the years to do flathead. So it works for me. Just give it a go, see if it works for you. So the way I do it is to work from the head to the tail. That way you're always going against these spines, because I've been pricked by these before, and there's a couple of venomous ones, one on each side somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where they are, but I have been nailed by them once before, but there's one on each side. So I tend to go in from the head first, sort of cutting around where the gills are, and then back along the centre spine all the way to the tail. So this is how I do it. As I said, feel free to leave it in the comments or give me some beef in the comments if you think I'm doing it in a bad way. To go in that way first, all the way down. Probably left a big chunk of meat on there, so I'm sure someone's going to comment on that. That's okay. So I go down until I feel the spine, and then along you can feel the spine, and then once you can just glide the knife all the way along the spine. Then you just continue, you'll feel the spine, just use the spine as a guide and just continue all the way down towards the tail. And then that there is the first fillet. We can then repeat that process for the other side. I've left a bit of meat on there, so the tighter you can get it along that spine. I have left a little bit, but it's not too bad. So just go in. Fillet number 2. I could have got a little bit closer, but generally it's not too bad. There's a bit of meat on that edge. Like I said, I'm no expert at this. So what we'll do with this guy, this will go back in a drink for somebody else's dinner another day. Actually, I'm not going to proceed with the others because that'll be boring watching this 4 times. What I'll do is just finish these 2 in their entirety. So the next thing is to get the skin off. What we want to do is get the blade pressing hard between the skin. This time I go the opposite way from the small end. We've basically got to get the knife in between the blade and the skin and just pushing down really hard. We'll just work our way along. Just making sure that the blade is nice and it bends over like that. For the bones, just want to put a slit down the middle, and then you can pull them out like a V. So that, folks, is pretty much it. 2 fillets. I'll continue the same with the other 3. Have a quick shower, and then I'll see you in the BBA kitchen for the actual tacos. So we're making fish tacos with the flathead. It's pretty similar to what I made previously on episode 25 with the catch and cook episode with the flounder and the tailor. So we're going to make the chips same way as we did then, but this time in the oven, not on the camp oven. And the batter for the flathead is the same as in that video as well. So it is in there, but I'm going to go through it briefly again now on this episode. So there's the basic ingredients there. So obviously we've got our flathead fillets, we've got potatoes for the chips, we've got tomato, cucumber and onion for the salsa, and we're going to season the tacos with lemon and coriander. So I'm going to beer batter the fillets, and I prefer sort of stronger beer, so anything over about 5%. This is my favourite beer anyway, Cooper's Sparkling Ales at 5.8%, so it just gives it a bit more flavour, but that's just my personal choice. Right, let's get amongst it. I've just roughly chopped the potatoes. I haven't parboiled them, they've just gone straight in the oven at 200 degrees for about an hour. So that's the salsa ready, that's all chopped nice and finely, and then I'm going to season that with the coriander and the lemon.
Which makes the best tacos.
They are good, I have to say. So if you try this recipe, I'm pretty sure you'll like it.
Oh yeah.
The fillets I've cut into chunks, so sort of chicken nugget size bits. Right, it's now time to get the oil ready, so in plenty of olive oil or other oil. I always like to use olive oil. So get enough in there so that you're doing like a shallow fry really for the fish, so we need to get that nice and hot. So with the other bowl, we've got some flour left in there when we make the batter. So what we're doing, as before, just using the combination of the beer and the flour to make a nice consistency that we can use as a batter. And as I've said many times before, I do like cooking with beer because the reason is you can drink the beer as you do the cooking. Which is always a winner. Then while we're waiting for the oil to get hot, the last thing I'm going to make is my mayonnaise, which is a combination of mayonnaise and then just some Portuguese seasoning just to give it a bit of kick to it. Right, so the oil is smoking, so now we're ready to do our fish. And these are not going to take very long at all, a few minutes really. So what I tend to do is just do batches at a time so that you don't overwhelm and overcook. And that, folks, is pretty much it. So now, time for making the actual tacos. And there we have it, folks, Flathead, fish tacos and chips. If you try this, I hope you like it as much as we do, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us if you could subscribe, because that helps us build the channel. Also, you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, brothers.